So guys, today we'll try to learn the insert method from the add list item. Previously, we have seen into append. Now what insert does is this method inserts an object into a list at a specified position. Yeah. Once the insertion of an element is done, the succeeding elements are automatically shifted one place to the right, and the length of the list is increased by 1. Yeah. So since Python list is considered as a basic data structure and is accessed using indexing techniques, the time complexity of this is O is to 0 is to n, where n is the number of elements in the list. That means the complexity increases linearly with the number of elements. Yeah. So insert method inserts an object within the list at a specified position. Yeah. Just to understand the syntax of this particular method, it is list, the name of the list. Then you have to uh, use the insert method. Then you need to specify the index at which you want to replace the particular item, and the object, which is the item by which or the element by which you want to replace that particular indexed item. Yeah. So index, this is the index where an object needs to be inserted, and obj, that's the object. This is the object to be inserted in the given list. Okay. Let's quickly jump onto an example. Will help you to understand this context much better. So what we'll do is we'll use the same example that we had previously. So we had this ABC. Okay, this one. Yeah. So we use this example to insert, simple example to insert to an existing list. Yeah. So suppose now original list was this. I will insert uh, at a position. Now I want to insert it at third index. Yeah. I want to insert AAA at third index, which is 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So before 4.5, AA has to be inserted, and it will shift 4.5 and 555 ahead to that object. So let's see what is the output of this. You can see AA is inserted at the third index as we have specified. Yeah. So if I want to insert an object at the start of the list, then the index that I need to specify is 0. So suppose I want to add 000 at the start of the index. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Here we can see 0 is automatically added. So let me put it in double quotes so that it takes it as a string. Yeah. See this? So 000 is added at the start because I have mentioned the index as 0. Yeah. Similarly, if I want to add anything at the last of the list, as we had for append adds a particular item at the start of the index. So suppose I want to add ZZZ, yeah, at the end. So what I can do is I can have the length of list 1 Yeah, which is if I try to get the length of the list one, it will give me length. Let me show you what happens if I try to get the length of the list one. Yeah, it is giving me 6. Yeah, so after 6, it will insert this particular item. Yeah, so let's see. I delete this. We do not need this. Yeah, we'll run this whether it is able to add Z, Z, Z at the end of the list. You can see this. Yeah. So this is how you can use insert as well to append your items at the end of the list, or you can use append item, which is a direct one. So likewise, the object can, this way what we have done is we have to override the in append method that we have seen earlier and use insert itself to either insert or append any of the values. Yeah. So the method in this scenario works similar to append method. Yeah. Which you have seen by the kind of output that we have got. Yeah. Now what I can do is similarly as we had list items appended at the end of the we have appended list at the end of a list, but we can have list item, new list, insert new list in an existing list. Yeah. How we can do that? I can have a week list. Yeah. Same way, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or I can have Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. Okay. And in between, we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. So let me add Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So here, Wednesday, not need a comma. So what I'm trying to do is, this is 0, this is 1. At the second index, I want to add this list items, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which are the missing days from this particular list. Yeah, I actually just to make it more meaningful. Yeah, so I have all the 7 weekdays of the week. Yeah. So from the second item, which is this is 0th item, this is first item. From the second item, I want the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to be incorporated in the existing list. So let's see how this is. So what I've done is I have selected the list. I have selected the method, that is insert. At the second index, I want to insert this new list. Let's run this. So instead of a single item that we inserted in our previous example, this time we inserted another list into an existing list using the insert method. Yeah. Now this method is called on this list by passing another list and an index value as its argument. Yeah. So this was the index value, and this was then another list which we have called upon to replace or not replace, but get inserted at that particular index. Hope you understood how this insert method works in adding a list item. Yeah. If you have liked this video, do like and comment on this video. If you have views or anything additional to be mentioned on this particular topic. Now, as I said with list, just before closing, you can add a new tuple as well. Yeah. Suppose I have this, and instead of list, if you know Tuples are the ones which are within parentheses rather than square brackets. So I have this tuple. Yeah, let's see whether tuple also works the similar way as we did for list. Can see this? A tuple you have got added at that particular index. Yeah. So just for an example, so that you understand. So similarly, you can do it for sets or another strings, or if you want to add a dictionary as well in this particular index. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to get such more informative videos as and how when I upload it on YouTube. Yeah. Thank you so much.